What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So just taking a look at Polygon here, and we can see quite clearly that, it's still looking very, very good indeed, having a very nice pump over the past few days with Bitcoin basically rolling over, trying to get that swing low in continuation to the downside. But obviously, with all the bullish divergences that we saw, it was only a matter of time before we did see Bitcoin having a bounce. And obviously, Polygon is following Bitcoin very nicely right now for the most part, but with a bit of added extra upside and spice in our opinion. It's been bouncing very nicely and getting bought up on every dip very, very nicely as well. So it seems quite likely in our opinion that Polygon is probably going to continue to do well, looking as though it's gearing up potentially to head towards the all-time highs pretty soon. Obviously, as we always say, big coiling pennant formation that we've been seeing for months now. We did see the breakout, the perfect back test here where we come down, overextension of the 618. We touch the pennant perfectly, coming down to, what is this, 146. We get the bounce to the upside where we come up, we get stuck under our 078 extension at 195 there. We roll over with Bitcoin, we come down to around 150 again. We touch the 618, but we get the bounce to the upside, and today trading at around 184, 185, looking very, very good indeed. Taking a look at the hourly time frame, you can see how technically we've been trading here. We come all the way up to the 618, we roll over, we get the overextension to the downside with the bullish divergence. We pick up perfectly on the 618 here, which was the Fibonacci that was dragged from the all-time high down to that low of 63 cents we saw in, what was it, July? And you can see we're just trading between these levels so perfectly right now. Resistance, come down to support on the 618. We get the perfect bounce to the upside, we come all the way up, get quite overextended here to 188. We come back down onto our EMAs. And now looking as though we are getting that secondary pump to the upside, taking us back towards that 078 extension at 195 that we were talking about. So overall, as we always say, Polygon looking very, very strong indeed, holding up very well in the face of Bitcoin being quite bearish over the past few weeks. And now that Bitcoin looking as though it's starting to pump, probably going to be looking at Polygon having a very, very nice run, with altcoin season seeming as though it's just around the corner as well. And if that's the case, we're going to be looking at an exceptional run for Polygon most likely in our opinion. So really not that much to talk about, apart from the fact that Polygon is trading very technically right now, looking as though it is moving to the upside, and we probably could be expecting looking towards that $2 level pretty damn soon. So we'll do short-term price predictions and keep the video very short and sweet, because it's pretty obvious that, Polygon has just been trading quite heavily again with what Bitcoin's doing right now, but looking very, very strong in our opinion. Obviously, if we roll over, we've got this swing low here at around 170 where we could find a good bit of support like this and then get a continuation. Obviously, if the market rolls over significantly, we would come back down to that 618 at 153 and get a very significant bounce in our opinion, doing some kind of a W double bottom there. But obviously, looking very bullish in the market right now. We do think that potentially the bottom is in for Bitcoin. We're now looking for Bitcoin to get back up above that 60, 61, 62k area where there's a lot of resistance. If it does that, then we're probably going to be back in an uptrend, and Polygon is going to benefit very heavily from that, heading up towards the 195 level at the 078 extension of the fib like we said. Getting above that $2 level would be absolutely perfect, getting a back test and then obviously continuation up towards that recent swing high at around 222 and then the all-time high of 270. And then obviously beyond that, as we always say, we do think Polygon is a really, really good quality project. It just needs a bit more DeFi in our opinion. But if projects do start to build on it more and more and more, and it does flesh its ecosystem out and bring a lot of people onto the platform, there's going to be a lot more demand for the token. And if that's the case, then we're probably going to be seeing Polygon heading up towards that $5 to $10 mark, maybe even beyond, depending on how, crazy the pump does get. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.